Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the KALADO Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to take a look at this interesting item that was sent to me here. So first of all, shout out to the person who sent this out, the rep from KALADO or KALADO. I don't know how to pronounce that, but pretty much they asked if I wanted to take a look at or review this vacuum cleaner that they sent me here. Now it's a wireless vacuum cleaner. Keep that in mind, guys. I haven't unboxed it yet. I've had it here for a couple of days. I've been having to work, but anyways. Again, it's a cordless vacuum cleaner, and the reason why I decided to say yes to taking this specific item is because, one, I have pets, and you guys know with pets there's hair everywhere or messes, so that's one thing. Two, of course, I have a family, so this is something that we all can use here at the house, right? When we need to clean up after the animals or after ourselves, and the fact that it's cordless and rechargeable is going to make things a lot more easier and efficient. So just before I unbox this, guys, I just wanted to kind of give you guys some specs on the actual device here, and then we'll get this unboxing going. It looks like I'm probably gonna have to set this up together, right? But for the most part, it looks like this vacuum cleaner one, it does have an LED display and a little touchscreen control to let you operate the vacuum with in real time. It's got a simple charging system. It's also easy to disassemble and take apart, right? Comes with complete set here, but other than that, though, it's got a 2500 milliamp battery, 240 watt. As far as the charging goes, charge time says it would take about 5 hours to charge, and the discharge time about 45 minutes of use. Discharge time, again, it really just depends on the usage, though. But for the most part, though, it's only a 5-pound vacuum cleaner, so really not that heavy. And again, I guess we're gonna have to just take a look and continue to unbox this as we go here. Alright, so while we continue to unbox this, it looks like we got a wide angle setup here for you guys, so thank you for that. But anywho, it does have a 80,000 RPM ultra high speed brushless motor. Again, like I said, 45 minutes of runtime. It says it's a 4-in-1 cleaner, standing design with a motorized brush, a dusting brush, a service nozzle, and extension wand, all included, and it meets the distinct cleaning needs for hard floors, carpets, stairs, windowsills, beds, and sofa. So again, you can use this on different surfaces. It does have a removable battery plus washable HEPA filter, so the filter that's inside can be washed and reused. Again, the battery has a 2500 milliamp battery, which, for the most part, I don't think anyone needs to use something like this for more than like 15 to 20 minutes. It's got a 2-year maintenance warranty and support, and again, I will post up the affiliate link down for you guys to check out below. So just, again, that was just a few of the specs here. Again, just so you guys can see inside the box, though, it does come with instruction manuals, and again, shout out to KALADO for sending this out. Again, really not something I do on the channel, guys, by the way. This is, I've reviewed some interesting stuff before, but I've never done a vacuum cleaner. And for the most part, again, this is the first time me unboxing a vacuum cleaner. I've done like dog items, I've done things for my animals, like, pet feeders, but for you guys that watch my channel, you guys know I mostly do tech reviews as far as like cell phones and unboxing of like speakers. But like, if you look at the head here, it's pretty nice. And again, let's see what else. It looks like it has a different attachment. So again, it looks like it comes with more than one attachment here. And again, you can see that one right here. Again, they all have different purposes. I'm going to go ahead and put that back laying down. I'm just going to throw the plastic on the floor here. It looks like this is a portion of the charger, hopefully, right? So let's get that going. It looks like it's just the charging cable. So let's go ahead and get that going over here. Throw that on the floor as well. I'm making a mess, and we'll get this going. And I think this is something that I probably could use for my car also, because I take my car to a car wash and I vacuum it there, but if I can use this here at home, that would be even better, especially if the attachment is a lot smaller. So these are just the attachments on top Let's go ahead and remove this top portion. I'm pretty sure that the main portion is on the bottom there, so let's go ahead and move this really quick. And it looks like that's the case. So, let's go ahead and continue to unbox this, guys. All right, so the unboxing is continuing, guys, and I do have the filter here. I want to say this is the battery that you connect to it. So again, I'm trying to make this simple for you guys so that you guys can see what's going on here. Again, this is a rewashable filter, so you guys look here. It looks like the filter just pops in up here. Again, I'm at least assuming that that's what happens. Maybe not. I'm gonna have to maybe read the instruction manual. But for the most part, I can tell you that the battery does connect back here. So it looks like that's the attachment for that. So again, I'm gonna try to set this up for you guys and hopefully get this going. Okay. All right. So I've got it semi set up so far. So really this long attachment that you see in there connects directly to this, and it's got an easy removal where you just literally take this on and off. I'm going to set this up. I'm going to try it with maybe 1 or 2 different heads here. And just so you know, this air filter that it came with, it goes in this little thing right here. It's actually inside of that. There was already another air filter in there, so I'm not gonna swap it out just because it looks like they sent it with an extra. That's the extra over there, and hopefully, it's got a little bit of charge. If you guys can see here, the turn on button is like this trigger. So let's see. You hear that? That's pretty cool, right? But for the most part, it does come with several little attachments. You know what I mean? So like I can connect it to this right here, I believe. Hopefully, I think so. It just clips in, and if I wanted to do some dusting, high dusting, you can use that, right? And again, if you wanted to connect the main floor one right here, again, this specific head right here, you guys can see that it literally just slides right in. It clips in, and again, this is maneuverable, right? So you can actually use that left and right over here, which is pretty cool. Again, let's go ahead and take that out, and let me go ahead and connect the last head here. This one's a little bit smaller. I probably think that this one would be for surfaces like your bed or couch or something like that. But interesting little vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna tell you that much. I think it's kind of like a dust devil. But let's see. Let's check that out. That's just an example, and I'm gonna use this because here. Let's turn that. I'm gonna use this because I definitely have pets that make a mess on my couches. And for you guys who want to know where the battery indicator on this, when you are charging it, this little LED part has like a little battery indicator here, and it does light up. So let's get this. Let's test this out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, and you're gonna see here that it does have like a little attachable light to it also. So I think that's pretty cool. I'm trying to get underneath my dresser there just because it's a little bit dusty. So. I can tell you one thing though, it's not catching like bigger items, so I don't know if it's just because there's no juice in this thing, but it does work. I can tell you right now it's picking up a lot of the dust. And the cool part is the head swivels, so it's easy to turn and maneuver as well. Alright, let's try the little attachment that you could use on couches, I believe. So this is the head attachment for that. I'm just gonna slightly go over it. I don't know if you guys noticed the crumbs on my couch. I do have dogs. This is actually sticking to this a lot more, and I do have a cover. Keep that in mind, right? So, but it is working. It's working pretty good on here. Look at that. It's literally picking that up. Okay, round 2 on the couch covers over here. Keep in mind I have some dog hairs on here. I have a few dogs. and you know, I'm seeing a little improvement. Let's try it on this side over here. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. And excuse the bad lighting, by the way. But my dogs drop a lot of snacks on this side of the bed, on the sofa over here. So there's things that are just sticking out. And you can see the vacuum cleaner working. Also, you can see the dirt piling up in there. So you know that it's working because it does have that clear container that you use to toss it out. So really not hard. Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely will have to mess around with this vacuum cleaner a little more. Just a heads up, this little vacuum cleaner does retail for $1.99, and I will post up the Amazon affiliate link down below so you guys can check that out. Again, shout out to KALADO for sending this out. It's really not very difficult to use. You know, again, okay, just so you guys know, the charging back here has a small little port that you guys can use over here. And again, to actually turn it on, you're just going to put it up here, right? You're going to just press it down and it turns on like that. It's super easy to use. It's kind of like you're using like a big leaf blower, but you're not. And if you guys didn't catch that, something happened right now where I accidentally, I think, pressed this and the bottom fell off. So you have to be careful for this, because this is actually like your little your little drain for when you want to clean it out. And I actually just got dirt all over me, so I will have to clean up all of this. But again, that was me. I think again I accidentally I was holding on to this down here, and the latch popped off. So just be careful. You know, you want to make sure you don't touch that portion. And it does have instructions on how to clean the air filter and remove it as well. And again, the fact that the top portion or the attachments are easily replaceable just from a press of a button. It's really that simple. And again, same here, easy to take apart as well. You know, definitely not hard to use, guys. So again, guys, this is Mike from BTech Review signing off. Again, thank you again for watching the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smash the like button. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you again for watching, okay?